Word problems of subtraction. I'll discuss some of the numbers one by one. So, number 1A. Raju got 60 rupees as pocket money from his father. He spent 16 rupees 50 paise on ice cream. How much money is left with him? Means राजू के पास 60 रुपीज़ थे पॉकेट मनी के तौर पर जो उनके फादर ने दिया था. ही स्पेंड उन्होंने खर्च किया 16 रुपीज़ 50 पैसे ऑन आइसक्रीम. नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मच मनी इज लेफ्ट विथ हिम. कितना रुपए उनके पास बच गए हैं. नाउ सो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. बच गया, लेफ्ट मीन्स बच गया, सो यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. नाउ स्टेटमेंट्स. मनी राजू गॉट is 60 rupees. You see, in case of subtraction or addition, first you have to convert the decimal numbers into like decimals. Now you see the second number has two decimal places, but 60, it is the whole number part and point is there after 60, and if you want to convert it into like decimal, then you have to also give two decimal places. So how do you write 60? As 60 is the whole number part, so point comes after 0 and then two decimal places. So you will write 60 as 60 rupees 00 paise. Then second line is cost of ice cream, or you may write money spent on ice cream is 16 rupees 50 paise. Then third is how much money is left. So money left with him. Then you have to subtract and the answer is 43 rupees 50 paise. So 43 rupees 50 paise is left with him. Then number C. Rahul weighs 52.525 kg. Weighs means वजन है उसका. It's a verb. His brother weighs 4.5 kg less than Rahul. Find the weight of his brother. Means you know the weight of Rahul, but the weight of his brother is not known to you. But it is given his brother weighs 4.5 kg less. यानी वो अपने भाई से यानी राहुल से उसका भाई 4.5 kg उसका वज़न कम है. कम है मीन्स तो उसका वज़न क्या होगा. When you subtract 4.5 kg from 52.525 kg, then you will get the weight of his brother. So here the statements are Rahul weighs, or you can write weight of Rahul. Weight is a noun, weighs is verb. So Rahul weighs 52.525 kg. Second, his brother weighs less by, यानी उसका भाई का वजन उससे कितना कम है 4.5. And here you see you have to convert it into like decimal. 4.5 has one decimal place. So to make it 3, you have to put two more zeros on the right hand side. And unit kg. Then last line is weight of his brother. Then you have to subtract. Don't forget to write the units. The weight of his brother is 48.025 kg. Then Neha saw a doll in the showcase of a shop. The cost of the doll was 175 rupees. She wanted to buy it, but she had 4 rupees 50 paise less than the cost of the doll. How much money did Neha have? Means Neha के पास सिर्फ the cost of the doll was 175 rupees. नेहा उसे खरीदना चाहती थी लेकिन उसके पास कुछ पैसे कम थे. कितने कम थे? 4 rupees 50 पैसे कम थे. मतलब जितना डॉल का कॉस्ट है उससे इतना उसके पास कम रुपए थे. तो नेहा के पास एक्चुअली कितने रुपए थे. सो कम थे मीन्स यू हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. हियर द वर्ड इज लेस. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ द डॉल इज 175 rupees. हियर अगेन यू हैव टू राइट द 175 in decimal form with two decimal places. So 175 is the whole number and 0.00 paise is the decimal place. Then second line is less money Neha had. First line डॉल का कॉस्ट क्या है. सेकेंड लाइन नेहा के पास कितने कम पैसे थे. सो 4 rupees 50 पैसे. देन सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड द थर्ड लाइन इज मनी नेहा हैड. So you have to subtract and your answer is 170 rupees 50 paise. So last line Neha had 170 rupees 50 paise. with her. Then the remaining two numbers, number B and D, I'll also discuss. Number B, Mrs. Renu bought 2.750 liters of milk. She used 1.5 liters milk for making curd. Find the quantity of milk left. It is easy. मिसेस रेनू ने 2.750 लीटर मिल्क खरीदा, उसमें से 1.5 लीटर दही बनाने के लिए यूज़ कर लिया, तो कितना बचा? So subtract. So your statement will be quantity of milk Mrs. Renu bought. Then quantity of milk she used for making curd. Then third line is quantity of milk left. Here you have to convert it into like decimal by putting two more zeros on the right hand side. So it becomes 1.500. Then you can subtract and find the answer. Number D, Amit travelled a distance of 15.55 kilometer. If he travelled 12.400 kilometer by bus and the rest by scooter, find the distance covered by scooter. यानी अमित ने कुल मिला के इतना डिस्टेंस कवर किया है, जिसमें से 12.44 किलोमीटर उसने बस से सफ़र किया और रेस्ट यानी जो बच गया वो स्कूटर से. सो बच गया, जो मीन्स यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय स्कूटर. सो हियर ऑल्सो you may convert it into like decimal or may not, because ये ज़ीरो का भी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. So your statement will be total distance Amit travelled, distance travelled by bus and distance travelled by scooter. These are the three statements. Then you have to subtract 15.55, then नीचे होगा 12.40 and kilometer. So you can find the answer.